stretch it out as much as you can so you can go over his head. Okay?
Okay.
He can't bite you right now. I've got his head.
Alright. Okay, we're going to put this down.
Or would you rather go over the bottom end of him?
No, probably his head.
Yeah, just keep pulling it down. My hand's going to be in the way, but... A little further down his body.
He's getting it. We're moving him away.
See how as soon as he can't see, he goes limp?
Really?
Yep. As long as he can't see, he'll stay limp. As soon as he can see again, if he's not got this around his neck and his chest, he will freak the fuck out.
Oh, fuck, I'll bet.
I'm starting to think it's a boy. I don't know why, but he just kind of looks like a boy. Alright, I'm just going to take him and do it.
Okay. Wow. He did just calm down, though.
It's because he can't breathe. He can probably breathe some, but he can't breathe real well, you know?
Well,
because it's over his face.
I don't know if it's really breathing as much. Maybe it just like he can't see and.
Yep. As long as we keep his fucking face covered, fucking works.
With chickens, it works. You want to pull this down? This end?
Not until I get more of his back end covered, because gotta get the back end covered because he will claw you as soon as his face is out.
Alright. I was afraid his face would come out unless we rolled that down.
Hmm?
See that end? If we roll it out.
Well, I'm gonna keep pulling it down on his body.
Well, I mean, but.
See, I just needed to get this part.
Okay.
This.
Alright.
But, kittens, as soon as they're swaddled, they think they're back in the womb. Even if they can see.
Okay.
And in the womb, they didn't fight, they didn't bite, none of that. Gloves back on because it's gonna fucking possibly be pissy.
I just wanted to be back together again.
Can you help me pull his face through?
Yeah. There we go. There he is. Look. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Isn't that crazy?
That is.
I didn't believe Jake when he told me that. I was like, Jake, you are batshit crazy, dude.
Wow, it just calmed him right down.
Because he can't fight. He knows he can't. He's helpless. He's defenseless, and you're not hurting him.
Yeah?
He recognizes right away that you're not hurting him.
Yeah?
He's defenseless.
Wow.